Y'all see it in the title, right? Y'all see this? It's another Air Jordan 1 box. Bam! Air Jordan.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need.
Welcome back to Dynasty Kicks. Hey, Dynasty Kicks. Hey, Dynasty Kicks. Hey, in the building. Y'all see what y'all watching? Y'all watching Dynasty Kicks right there. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing good? Y'all doing amazing? And make sure y'all like this video, come subscribe, and holler at me. I'll follow me all on social media. Yeah, let's get to the kick. Down to low. Y'all see? Y'all see it in the title, right? Y'all see this? It's another Air Jordan 1 box. I never seen a color box color like this. Got black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Like the Wiz Khalifa song. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. She laughing at me, y'all. Y'all see it. We got that black box with the yellow in it. Man. See, got the Air Jordan Pines. See what we got, you know? Pollen. Yeah, Pollen. I keep saying Pollen. And these Jordans came out in 1985 Air Jordan 1s. 1985? We was born, huh?
No.
Oh, we weren't born. Yeah. I'm gonna do something different, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all look at them first. And y'all tell me what's y'all opinion. I'm gonna let y'all look at it. I'm not gonna look. I know what they is though. I'm letting y'all get the look at them. Y'all see. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna look at them. Take a look. Sheesh! Y'all ain't ready for these. Man. Y'all ready? We gonna count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Air Jordan Pines. Y'all see the yellow? You see the black and yellow? Like I just said the song, black and yellow, black and yellow. Man, you can do anything. Y'all see they got the black toe right here, yellow stitching on Nike right here. Y'all see? I'm gonna smell shoe. Good smelling shoe. Man, if y'all like the Jordan 1s, comment down below. Cause I got a lot of ones. Like I'm building my ones collection. You feel me? Yeah. Also, I got a partner. He trying to get his shoe game up. He trying to catch up with me, but that ain't happening. You know who I'm talking to. Yeah, y'all see. Got the yellow right here. Got the white stitching right here. Got the Nike check, the black Nike check. You feel me? We're gonna get in the shoe. Got the white laces right here. And you got the black laces, but they came with shoe. I changed them up, you know. Yeah. Got the Air Jordan right here with the yellow thing right here. Man, I like Air Jordan. These is fire though. You see? Got the Air Jordan right here. You see? And you got the, I don't know what color these yellow laces. Yeah, I'm gonna call them yellow laces. They go hard though. Yeah, you can change them up. You can put white laces, or you can do another white laces. No, it has some little laces. Oh, here it goes. I'm at fair. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all see these? They came with 2 laces. They came with black and yellow laces. Yeah, I'm just letting y'all know certified, cause yeah, I got these. Yeah, they came with. I took the laces off the shoes, and you know I was trying to, you know, I was gonna wear them. I didn't know what color I was gonna wear them with. I was gonna say, man, I might do the black and the yellow laces. Yeah, basically you can put any kind of laces in these shoes. You can put red, you can put orange, you can put any color you want, but they still gonna be fire, you know? Yeah. Now, if y'all like these shoes, comment down below. They fire! I'ma say it. Fire! 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 Bango! These some, man, I can't wait till I wear these shoes. Like, I don't even wear my shoes though. Man, these clean though. Like, I gotta see what I'm gonna wear with these though. When they get cold, that's when I'm probably gonna step out with it. You know? Yeah. But yeah, I got them out the GOAT. Yeah. So excited. Yeah. Shout out GOAT, man. Good shoes, you know. Review. Yeah, good shoes though. Y'all like them? We're gonna do another. We're gonna do it like this. Y'all see, I'm gonna show y'all this. Yellow bottom. Yeah. You see that? But wow, y'all like these shoes coming down the low. Say these are some fire shoes. Who like ones? I wanna know everybody like if y'all like ones, put them in the comments. Say, what's y'all favorite shoe? What is your favorite shoe? Yeah. These, like these. Fire. And I ain't never seen a black, yellow box. Yeah, for these. Yeah. I'm about to wrap this up. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. Appreciate y'all. Wait, let me. Gonna do this. I'm gonna end the video off. Wait a minute. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. If y'all like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. You know, and I appreciate y'all for showing me love. This challenge is taking off crazy. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm sorry I ain't been putting out content on this video. This challenge. I've been working and stuff. Like, you know, just working. That's it. Then we got another challenge. The Ewing family is taking off too. Like, make sure y'all go subscribe to the Ewing family, and go subscribe to everybody's channel in the description below. Yeah. Also, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. And also, Ewing Kicks is out. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.